Hello everyone, welcome to the Webster Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the good news about the Phala Finance and the Phala network. Their XCM integration is live now, and I'm going to demo how to send the Phala token from Phala to Phala Finance or from Phala Finance to Phala. So now let's go ahead to show that. So if you are new to the Web3, like Phala Finance is the parachain and also the Phala network. They are both the parachain in Polkadot ecosystem. Phala Finance is right now the largest parachain in the Polkadot space with almost highest TVL and a lot of active users, and they have built the first AMM in the .Summer, the decentralized money market, liquid Cardano, stream protocol, wallet, and a lot of things. Phala network is one for the computation cloud. That's a decentralized network of computation nodes around the world. So now those two they work together, so you can get the token. Now let's go ahead to show you how to do that. And so first of all, from Phala Finance, you can do those. You can go to the cross chain, and here you can select from the let's say like from Phala to Phala. So you can see that like I don't have any Phala in the Polkadot, but I do remember I have some Phala in Kusama, so I will just go to Kusama and go to the cross chain. And so the same thing, choose Phala to the it's called Kana to Heiko, and I have a little bit Phala, and I will just let's just try one of that, and then transfer. So it's going to transfer from the Phala network to from Kana network to the Heiko, and so we just need to wait. Okay, now it's done. So you can see I have send the Phala to the Heiko, and you can go to the overview. Now you should be able to see the Phala token here, and also the money market. Let's see if we can land it or something. Right now it's not on the money market yet, but I think it should be there soon, just like Moon River. And then you can supply that, get some actual APY. And I'm going to also show you on the Phala app. It's the same thing, like on the Phala app, you can see this one, and they can also do the bridge. So if you go to the bridge, you can also send it from the panel to Kana. It's the same thing. Like now they can recognize that, so I can just put the number. And also you can go from the Kana to panel Heiko. And so I believe it's the same. You can just do it. I will not demo it here, but it's going to be the same as we just demoed on the Phala Finance. Just put the number and enter the amount. All right, that's all for this demo. Thanks for watching. So hopefully this tutorial will help you to understand how to send the token from Kana or Phala to the Phala Finance. Bye.